Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the preparation of soda lime glass. So here the name itself indicates soda lime glass. In addition to silica, soda and lime are the important ingredients which are used for the manufacturing of soda lime glass. So we know that soda lime glass is most popular type of glass manufactured for engineering applications. So soda lime glass contains about 71 to 75% of silicon dioxide. 71 to 75% of silicon dioxide, that is silica, and it also contains about 12 to 16% of soda. About 12 to 16% of soda and about 10 to 15% of lime. 10 to 15% of lime. So in addition to these prime constituent, it also consists some lower amount of other substances such as magnesia, alumina and coloring agents. The silica is stabilized by the lime while the soda acts as a flux to reduce the melting point of the material. So here as we discussed, so soda lime glass consists about 71 to 75% of silica, SiO2, about 12 to 16% of sodium oxide and about 10 to 15% of calcium oxide. When come to the manufacturing of soda lime glass, so basically soda lime glass is manufactured in four major phases. One is melting, second one is shaping, third one is annealing, and fourth one is finishing. Now let us discuss one by one phases which are involved for the manufacturing of soda lime glass. First one, melting. So first all the ingredients which are required for the manufacturing of soda lime glass are charged to the hot furnace where ideal melting, dissolution, volatilization and other redox reaction between the materials takes place in a specific order and at a specific temperature. So we know that the raw materials required for the manufacture of soda lime glass are silica, soda ash and limestone. In addition to these three important ingredients such as silica, soda ash and limestone, so here limestone is used as a source for calcium oxide. In addition to these three important ingredients, small amount of fining agents such as sodium sulfate, and sodium chloride are also melted with the raw materials in a glass furnace at a temperature that can be reached up to 1675 degrees centigrade. When come to this second phase, shaping. So the molten glass is shaped. Molten glass is then shaped to the desired shape by blowing, pressing pressing, drying and casting. When come to the third phase, annealing. So to reduce strain, the mass is cooled to the room temperature very slowly. So in order to reduce the strain, whatever the mass so obtained is cooled to the room temperature. So that too is done very slowly. So when come to the last phase, that is finishing. So all annealed glass must be subjected to crucial finishing processes. Finishing process include cleaning, grinding, polishing, cutting and enameling. So these are the steps involved for the manufacturing of soda lime glass. So glass made of soda lime, we know that relatively hard, affordable and chemically stable, because it can be repeatedly softened if necessary to complete a project. So due to these characteristics, it can be used to create a wide range of glass items such as light bulb, window pans, bottles and art pieces. So this is about the preparation of soda lime glass. When come to the properties of glass, so glass exhibits wide variety of technologically important properties. Few important technologically important properties of glass are hardness and brittleness. The second important property of glass is chemical resistance. The third important property of glass is color and shape. Fourth important property of glass is weather resistance. Fifth important property of glass is insulation. So these are some important technological important properties of glass. So now let us discuss one by one. Hardness and brittleness. So glass is considered as a hard material due to its high impact resistance against applied load. So we know that glass is also a brittle material, though as it snaps under pressure and breaks instantly. So when come to the second property, chemical resistance. So we know that glass can resist acidic impacts or the effect of chemical reactions. So these reactions takes place in various environmental conditions. So this one, glass can easily resist acidic impacts or the effects of chemical reactions. So most substances, including solutions of inorganic alkalis like ammonia, bases like NaOH, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, KOH, acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and nitric acid, HNO3, so are very well tolerated by this type of glass. So when come to the third important property of glass, color and shape. So depending on their purpose, dimensional requirements and safety criteria, so glass can be blown, drawn or pressed into any color and shape. So next important property is weather resistance. Weather resistance. So glass is weather resistant because it can survive the effect of rain, sun, and wind also. So glass can absorb, reflect and refract light. So when come to this next important property of glass, insulation. Due to its effective insulating property against the transmission of visible light. So glasses are an excellent insulators against heat, electricity and electromagnetic radiations. So a certain kind of glass exhibit strong resistance to the transmission of X-rays, IR rays, infrared rays and UV lights, ultraviolet lights. If utilized with the proper thickness, glasses offers good sound transmission resistance also. So these are some technologically important properties of glasses. Now let us discuss about the applications of glass. So it is clear that modern life would not be possible without glass. Say for example, in housing and buildings such as windows, conservatories, insulations, and reinforcement structures. So glasses are widely used. In the interiors such as furnitures like mirrors, partitions, so glasses are also used in the interior designs, furnitures like mirrors, partitions, tables, shelves, and lightings. So glasses are used in home applications, and also in electronics such as oven door, cooktops, television, computers, in specific computer screens, and smartphones. Glasses are necessary in automotives and transport applications. Like window screens, backlights, reinforced structural components of cars, aircrafts and ships. Glasses are necessary in packaging, like jars, bottles, flacons, and pharmaceuticals. And also in the tablewares, like drinking glasses, plates, cups, bowls, basically made up of glass. In medical technology, and also in biotechnology, and also in life science engineering and optical glass. So glasses are basically used in renewable energy devices such as solar energy, in specific solar photovoltaic cell, and also in wind turbines. So these are some important applications of glasses. Thank you.